This is next cell organelles, Golgi complex. It is also called the Golgi apparatus, or it is called the dictyosome in plant cell. Okay, in animal cell it is called the Golgi complex, but in the plant cell it is called the dictyosome. The Golgi apparatus is discovered by the Camillo Golgi. On the basis of scientist name, this cell organelle's name is given Golgi complex. So consists of a system of a membrane bounded vessels arranged approximately parallel to each other. Okay, so it is the vessels like structures and that are the stacked on each other, that is called the cistern. Like this, these are the stack like structure, like that coin is stacked, so similar here in the stack on one another, so that is called the cistern. Okay, and these membrane often have connections with the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum and therefore constitute another protein of a complex cellular membrane system. Okay, so this Golgi complex is going to be attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Those protein molecule is going to synthesize by the endoplasmic reticulum. It is going to processed that protein and mature and the transport to the different part of the cell. So that is Golgi apparatus is also called the traffic police, because it is the responsible for giving the signal which protein is here is go where on in the cell. So the material synthesized near the endoplasmic reticulum is packed and dispatched to the various target inside and outside the cell through the Golgi complex. Okay, those material is going to synthesize like the protein and lipid is going to synthesized by the endoplasmic reticulum is going to be packed and dispatched to the various part through the Golgi apparatus. So next, it is a functions. Its function include the storage, modification, packaging of product in vessels. Okay, what the role is played by the Golgi apparatus? It is the packaging of the different material from inside the cell. In some cases, complex sugar may be made from the simple sugar in Golgi apparatus. Okay, clear? So it is responsible for the formation of simple sugar to complex sugar. Okay, by the action of Golgi body. Okay, so Golgi body is also involved in the formation of lysosome, and that is the most important function of the Golgi apparatus. As you know, lysosome is called the suicidal bag of cell. Later we are going to be discuss about the lysosome. It is called the suicidal bag of the cell. So let's see the figure of this, and show these different vessels fusing with the cis phase, and that phase is called cis phase, and that phase is called the trans phase. Cis phase is toward the endoplasmic reticulum and trans phase towards the plasma membrane, and that the cis are forming phase, because here in that the packaging of these materials is going to takes place, so that is called the forming phase, and this phase the maturation phase, because those materials going to send it to the Golgi apparatus, that are the packaging, and is going to take place here in the Golgi apparatus, so that is called the trans or maturing phase, and these materials going to release, and that is called the discharged vessels, or the transported to the different part of the cell. That is the structure of Golgi apparatus. Thanks for this. Tomorrow we are going to be discuss about the lysosome, and in your NCERT book the box is given the discoverer of this Golgi apparatus, so you need to learn of the role of Camillo Golgi in the cell biology. Okay, so let's learn. Okay, thanks a lot.